The board of the Government Employees Pension Fund is accused of taking a unilateral decision decreasing its members' pension payouts. Trade union Solidarity is launching a class action lawsuit on behalf of 1.2 million affected public servants to have the change overturned. ANN7 reporter Michael Apple.
In September 2015, Solidarity says it first heard from its members that a unilateral decision had been taken by the Government Employee Pension Fund board changing the interest formula for those resigning before their 55th birthday. Solidarity says their High Court application will affect every public servant.
We seek to step into the shoes of at least 1.2 million persons, regardless of whether they're members of Solidarity, regardless of who they are, because we deem that to be the best way to attack the injustice that we see has taken place.
The GEPF is governed by the GEPF Act, and in terms of law, any change to pension structure requires consultation, something Kruger says never happened.
Those factors can only be amended after there has been a consultation process with the Minister and organised labour. And of course on advice of actuaries acting for the fund. Now it simply became known to us that the factors in the formula have been unilaterally amended by the board of the GEPF without consultation in terms of the rules, and the effect thereof, I'll indicate to you, is quite detrimental to every person that seeks to resign from the government employment before the age of 55 or just on the age of 55.
Using SAPS captain for NICAC as an example, Kruger says he planned to retire at the end of July last year with a confirmed pension of 2.68 million. But upon checking his actuarial interest just days before his resignation, he learned the pension amount had dropped by over 172,000 rand.
He found out that his actuarial interest, what he was getting out now, 972,000 less, or 7% less than what was the case when the previous formula applied. So the detrimental effect on Captain van Niekerk and thousands of persons employed by the state, similar to his, is simply that was what he was getting out less.
In a statement, the Government Employees Pension Fund said they have received documents on the Solidarity matter regarding the revised actual interest factors. The GEPF will defend the matter and will be filing an answering affidavit in due course. This is Michael Apple for ANN7, Pretoria.